Hello and welcome. This is Angie with CountryChicCottage.net. So today we're going to talk about a Cricut feature that many of you probably don't even know exists. If you use the Cricut app on an iOS device, so iPhone, iPad, something like that, you can actually use the camera in your device to sort of visualize your project right on your surface. Like the camera will show you your surface and you can kind of visualize the project right on there. How do you do that? Let's take a look. So we have a cut file here and I've taken the two layers and I've made them approximately the colors of the heat transfer vinyl I have. So I have like a deep dark orangey red and I have a green. And this is what I think I want it to look like. But I have a couple of different shirts. I don't know which one it will look better on or if it'll look horrible on both of them. On iOS, you actually have a trick that you can use. So what you do is you click camera down here in the lower right hand corner and it uses the camera on your device, and I can actually look at it on my two different colors of shirt. So I can look and see which one I like better, and I could even kind of zoom way out and kind of see it on the shirt itself and see if that's the way I want it to look. And now I can resize that design, move it around, see what would look best on the shirt, and even kind of size it with the shirt a little bit and just kind of see what would look best on the shirt. Now the size is not in relation to the shirt, so I would need to always pick all my elements and then click edit and see my width and my height, and then I use a ruler on my actual shirt to measure it. And to turn this off, you just click the camera again, and now I'm back to my regular canvas. So that's the way to kind of visualize your projects right in Cricut Design Space on iOS. So it's so simple, and you might not even notice that camera button down at the bottom of your app. So start using that, especially if you struggle with colors and not knowing if it's going to look good. It'll kind of give you an idea if you have the right colors and allow you to make your projects right the first time with fewer mistakes. That's why I like that feature. So even if I'm designing on my desktop, I might save it, then open it up on my iPad, kind of use that camera to visualize the project, and then even go back to my desktop to cut it if I don't like to cut on my app. I hope that you learned something new from this. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions about anything we've covered today, please feel free to ask those in the comment section below. Even if you have another question about the iOS app, I would love for you to drop that below. It kind of gives me future video ideas if I don't have those already. If you haven't already, head on over to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. We have videos like this all the time and you don't want to miss any of those. Thank y'all for joining me, and I'll see you next week with another great Cricut video. Thanks, bye-bye.